Welcome back to your favorite channel, Sunny. Sorry I didn't post for a few days because Toca had the audacity to reset my house and just delete my entire Curl Girl dorm that I made. So the coastal villa is now making a comeback. So sister, please stop screaming. Sister! Anyways, ignore her. But this is a video of a rainy day. Thank you so much, Mom, for this idea. My sweet mom recommended me to make a rainy day video. So yeah, here it is. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Thank you, sister. Actually, I'm not gonna say sister, please stop screaming now, I guess. Ouch. Oh, it's morning. Yay. Whoa, why is it so cold today? It's cold. Even though I'm wearing my warmest outfit, it's still cold for me, so I'm just gonna go and wear my second warmest outfit right here. I think it's gonna be raining today. Let me check my iPad. It's gonna rain, and there's gonna be a blackout? I gotta tell Mom. Oh, sorry about that. I gotta tell Mom, Sis, and Dad about this. Let me just quickly turn this off. And, oh, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? 1 second. Let me just quickly turn Let me just quickly turn on all my lights. I don't know what happened to me saying that. Candle. And I'm just gonna go and brush my teeth and stuff, so see you after that. Done. I have some leftover homework from last night. Oops. So I'm just gonna go and do that. What are you doing? Stop picking up the slime. Sorry, this video is gonna have a lot of errors. That and yep, that's all. Let me just close my book and put my pencil back in my pencil case. And it's time to turn on all the lights. Oh, there's nothing in the fridge, I forgot. I meant freezer. I accidentally opened the freezer with this thing. Sister, what are you doing? And I forgot to turn on the bathroom lights, so yeah. Let's go and wake up my mom, dad, and sister. La 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 la. Oh, morning, sis. You awake? What's this? Oh, morning. Yeah, I'm awake. What's wrong, by the way? Oh, nothing. I was just asking. Anyways, I'm gonna go wake up Mom and Dad. You wanna come? I can't. I'm busy. I'm sorry. Oh, alright. That's fine. La 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 la. Mommy, Daddy, wake up. Oh, what do you want? It's like 10 in the morning. Let me sleep. Fine, I'm gonna wake Mommy. Mommy. Oh, morning, sweetie. Morning, Mama. I'm just gonna go and sit me and the baby. Bye. Bye. Hello, baby. I don't know. I'm just gonna go and let Luke sleep in because he was like sitting with the baby all night and he didn't sleep and stuff. So anyways, I planned this really cute crumpet outfit today, so I'm just gonna go and wear that. And my usual daisies. I wasn't thinking to wear these today, so I was in the mood for daisies, so yeah. Just get some lipstick, some powder, and some setting spray. That's it. Anyways, let me go check what's on the news today since it's real cold. There's a 90% chance of heavy rain and a blackout? I gotta tell the others about this. These weathers nowadays. Looks like that's Luke's alarm. Let me go turn that off. Let me turn on this light real quick. It doesn't really affect the timers. Not the timers. It doesn't really affect, it doesn't really emit too much light, so I think it's okay to turn it on. Sweetie, is the baby awake? No. She's still sleeping. I'm just watching her sleep. Alright. Let me go check on Charlie there real quick. Charlie, sweetheart, you okay? Yeah, Mom. Why are you asking? Sister, what is going on there? Sorry about that. Sister! Anyways. Yeah, Mom, I'm okay. Just solving my usual ugly math equations. Oh, alright. Anyways, there's a 90% chance of a hurricane. Not a hurricane. There's a 90% chance of heavy rain and blackout. What? I didn't even notice that. I didn't even open my phone or laptop. Thanks for telling me, Mom. No problem, sweetie. I'm just gonna go and make breakfast and stuff, alright? Alright. Skip to when the mom makes breakfast and they all eat and stuff, so... And the dad is awake, so skip to that. I skipped to that, so the baby is still sleeping. She's in deep sleep. WPO, aka the baby. Anyways, they're gonna go downstairs, because why not? Aka the first floor. So, yeah. Yippee, I guess. Bye, third and second floor. I'm just gonna go and sit here with Amelia. Alright, I'm just gonna go and see what's going on outside. I'm gonna go grab a coffee and I'll just go. Alright. Pee-pee-wee. Anyways. It's raining! It's raining! Wee! It's raining! It's raining! I'm coming up inside. It's so cold! Geez, what is happening here? Why are y'all screaming about rain? It's raining, Amelia. So that's why it was so cold. Ooh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. That's how we're reacting. It's cold. Sorry about that. Anyways, I'm gonna go play in the rain. Bye bye. He just said it was cold. I don't know, your father's weird, sweetie. I love voicing Luke. But anyways, I'm gonna check if there's some laundry and stuff. So, yeah. Waterworm, yeah. Right. There's not any laundry for now, but there's some ironing. So I'm gonna go do that. Get behind it. No. Thank you. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna go with my pushing water bottle there. 5 minutes later. Why is the light flickering? I think the light's about to go out. Yeah, me too. Let me 1 second. The lights went out. Why did I hear many lights going out? I gotta get inside. Why is it so dark in here? The lights went out. Now, no need to worry. The lights just went out. It's only for a moment. Hey, how about we chillax and play a board game? Yeah, I'm in. Same here, I'm in. Guess I'm in here. I'm in too. Alright then. Let's go into the living room, shall we? Yep. Yeah. Anyways, they go cozy and just play a board game on the couch. So skip to that. 1 second. I'm not done yet. Why did I play it? So sorry about that. Anyone fancying space cats today? Me? Why won't she move? Me? Me? And me? Alright then. Guess I'll set up the board then. But since our table is full, which is very unfortunate. I'll get the table from the attic. The attic is not built yet. It doesn't even exist in there, Bella. He's just joking. Yay! I'm gonna go get the old table in the attic. So, yeah. Alright, it's in. Who wants to set up the board? I'll set up the board. Alright, here you go. And the rest will just sit here. Yep. She won't move again. Yep. Alright, let me set up the board. No, you don't know that. Let me just, yeah. Everyone get off. Whoops, not too close. We'll just stay 2.5 meters away. Alright, who wants to become the pink space cat? Me. Alright, great choice. You will be placed here. Who wants to be the purple space cat? Me. You will be placed here. I'll be the green space cat. And 1 second. And oh, there's another pink, orange pink piece. Pretend it's orange. And that will be just for Dad. Place. You will be placed right there. So there's this timer. There's this timer I will be placing right here. And the star. So in order, I'm just making these rules, okay? They might not be true. So in order to win, you have to reach the star. Roll as many high numbers as you can, and you might win. Whoa. Very nice dubbing teacher. I didn't ask you. Sorry. Anyways, let's get started, shall we? Yep. Let me sit in the middle real quick. So, here's yours, here's mine, here's yours, and here's hers. Hers won't even. I can't even see anything. Here. Oh my gosh. This is a very bad idea. Anyways, first one. Wait, who's going first? You know what? I'm gonna get a beanbag. I can't. Alright, that's much better. By the way, I'm not going first. I guess I'll have to go first. So, one it is. Place it right here. No, not there. 1 second. Let me just. Yep, right there. Alright, I'm gonna go last. Alright, I'm gonna go second. Oh, 2. 1, 2. I'm gonna go right there. You go there. Right. Forward me. I don't know English, sorry guys. Alright, fine. What? Oh man, Finch! Sorry about that. I'm gonna go third. 4! Finch, stop! I got 4, wow. Like that's now 6. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hee, I'm in the middle. Alright, my turn. 3, not bad. Let me just 1, 2, 3. And the game continues, and they just keep playing this game. So I hope you enjoyed. That's all for today. I'm gonna post another video, so stay tuned for that. It's not a toca video, sorry about that. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed. Have a sunny day or a starry night.